When she was 10, a car accident left her paralyzed waist down. Her story since is of a brave fight back against her disability. Along with learning how to use a wheelchair and even how to sit, the Jaipur girl picked up shooting as a hobby in 2015. 6 years on, she became the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in the Paralympics. The 20-year-old also went on to win a second medal in the Tokyo Games, becoming the first Indian woman to win multiple medals in the Paralympics. Hello and welcome to Forbes India from the field. Our guest in this episode is Avni Lekhara.
Before 2012, I was, you can say, a pretty normal, decent child. I used to participate school activities, used to love dancing, singing, all these things. And then the accident happened in Feb 2012. My whole family was there. It was like a nightmare, you can say, because I was sleeping in the back seat of my car, and when I woke up, I couldn't even move my legs. I was 10 or 11 at that time. So for a 10-year-old kid, it was pretty shocking. Then I got admitted in the hospital. I had a spinal cord injury. So I was paralyzed below my waist. I didn't have motor power or sensations. So I had undergone a major back surgery. I was bedridden for 6-7 months. And then I had to again, I had to learn how to sit properly because I couldn't balance my body. I started to learn how to use a wheelchair, which was a new thing for me. I was you can say I was kind of in a depression at that time. My family, they have been with me throughout. In the initial days, they were like, okay, you will get well one day, you will start running again. But then, when the reality struck, they changed the point of view. They said, okay, it doesn't matter if you can't, use your legs, you can still do a lot of things. And that's how, they changed the perspective for me. One day in my summer vacations in 2015, I went to the archery range and I tried archery, but then it was kind of, I was not at all interested in sports at that time. Archery was a little tough for me because I couldn't, stretch the bow properly, and the arrow was not even going halfway up to the target. So for me at that time, I was so underconfident that if I can't do something, I would just leave it in the halfway. I don't even want to try it. But then when I went to the shooting range, I tried pistol also, I tried rifle also. When I picked the rifle, it was so heavy. It was like around 5 kgs, and I was physically weak at that time. But still, the coach that was present there, he helped me in picking the rifle, and then I tried the shots, and they were pretty decent. And then I continued shooting as a hobby. But then slowly I started competing with able-bodied athletes, with para athletes, and then I started winning medals, and it gave me a lot of confidence. It gave me a chance to make myself show out there, represent that Avni Lekhara is there. Avni Lekhara can do things, because no matter I with or without my disability, it gave me a platform to go out there and represent my country.